What's up guys, welcome back to my vlog. So basically today what we are going to do is we are going to install the side box, the side pannier as well as the side box. So over here I got my side pannier and here is the side box. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to remove all the four studs that is inside here. So you can see that the studs are basically screwed in and you just need to remove. So basically the racks, the pannier will be actually mounted over here at the four ends. And what I need to do is I need to remove, slightly loosen up here so that I can join the support and probably fix the entire pannier on it. So let's dive into the installation process. Let's go! So basically to install, right, you need to get a kind of a 10mm kind of bolt to actually unscrew this area of the bolt to loosen it, so that it will have the support area of it. What I did is I installed the ring. So basically the screw you just put into it, you lock this here, you put a U-shape kind of thing, this piece over here, so that it kind of balance out. And then you just need to put the screw over here to tighten it, but properly before you tighten everything. So over here you can see that there's a screw, so I'll be using this to actually support it, and then followed by this to actually to screw and tighten everything. So basically everything is installed, it looks good, perfect. So same for this side, it's actually a repeat of the other side, and let's see how it goes. Okay, so now basically we have actually fixed the box and have tightened this 4 point here as well as here, and same for the other side. How it looks like in the box is basically you just need to latch this here and latch this here and then slot into the support. Inside the box it looks like this. I have a problem is I cannot install the real box because I couldn't remove this screw. So what happened is basically this screw is got stuck. Probably I need to go to the shop to get it, like drill it out, that kind. So over here in the box you can see it's quite spacious, and for the other side definitely it's even bigger. So it's very simple for this. All you need to do is, and there's zippers over here so they can store like some documents to prevent it from getting wet. The good thing about this box is I get to open from both sides, so it's kind of perfect for it. Okay, it's quite easy. A single universal key can open everything. And if I have probably like things that stuck over that side, I can always easily open from this side. That's the good thing about having this kind of box that has more versatility. Because I'm still playing around with this box to see how it actually works. Yeah, so you can see it's pretty spacious.
So I have done the installation of the 3 box. It's pretty straightforward and simple. The top box you just need to mount the bracket, and then the top box will just fit onto it. So what I've gotten is around $800 SGD including shipping. I bought this from Taobao. It may be cheap, but then there were some hassle I will actually share. So the top box is actually 45 liter, the right side is actually 40 liter, and the left side is 46 liter. So the problem that I faced was that one of the shipment box was actually bought during the shipment. So what happened was Taobao actually had to refund, and then I had to actually buy again from the seller, and then with that actually there was slight delay, but then to me it doesn't really matter. I think it's pretty cheap for a 3 box, and it is pretty solid, and the way it's designed, so I think it's really worth the wait. Yeah, and that's all for this video. I hope you like it, share, and of course to subscribe to it. Thank you.